Hi guys, so yesterday was slow, didn't really catch anything, so I decided in order to make this video more interesting that I'd come out to Shay's Ranch and we're gonna do a little fishing and we're gonna do a little target practice with the bows. And so yeah, I hope y'all enjoy and hopefully we catch some fish. There we go. There we go. Finally. Oh my gosh, it's huge, guys. It's huge. Guys, it's huge. Come on. Oh, there we go. Awesome. This is the first catch of the day. We've been fishing for a couple hours now. Here, let me set that down. Look at that guy. Look at him. Oh man, that is nice. It's a little fight. I didn't feel him at first. Here, let's let him go. About a 2.5 pounder. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Yep. That is awesome. He's a little smaller. He's definitely a little smaller. Still nice to catch fish. I literally just did. I caught one before that. About a 2.5 pounder.
Oh, you need a crankbait.
What?
Oh, you need a crankbait.
Did you lose it? Alright. It's only a 6XD, so it's not, it's 549. There we go. There's a chatterbait, by the way, Shay, if you want to tie that on. Yeah, my first cast I got one. Next cast I got one. And now I got one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, no, the one before it, Shay, you should have seen it. You'll see it in the film. But he was twice as big as this. Wow, that's awesome. Just what I was doing is I wanted a reaction strike, but I didn't have a white one. So I just found the next most colorful thing. Because that was 3. I've probably made 4 casts down here at most. And that was 3 fish. I only made about 3 or 4 casts. What? Freaking turtle or something. Oh my gosh, there was a fish right there. I literally cast it like a foot off the shore. And so I reeled it in, not thinking. Wow, small little guy. So great to catch.
I think I'm just going to quit fishing.
No, so literally, I told you to come over here that there'd be a fish over here. And you decided to go fish where I'd already caught 3 or 4 fish, 3 fish. There you go. There's another fish. Maybe it's the color. Maybe. Alright, guys. Look at that little guy. Whew. Mouth is red. Oh, Lord have mercy on Shay. Please don't break my rod. There we go. There's another one. There we go. Pale little guy. Whew. Let's put him back. There you go. There you go. Shay caught his first fish for today. There we go. Small guy. Come right at the edge line. That pops out. Woo! Let's get him back in the water. He wasn't very big at all, but a lot of these guys haven't been super big. But that's Shay's. Oh my God, dude! Oh, I got one. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, he's a nice one. Oh, man. Okay. All right. We shouldn't have. Are you kidding me? Woo! Look at that. A little better. Dude, we're gonna take you off just in case. No, I'm not taking your knife, just your eater. Alright, I'm gonna set you right there. No.
This is Laurel's back. You're real, bro.
What? What do you mean? How?
Those buttons make it cash.
Are you serious?
This ain't the same. This ain't the same. They say love heals all. It makes it all alright. In time. My heart still feels the breaking, but you make my world so bright. Feels so right.
Are you actually serious? Dead serious.
And how will we ever feel that what we've got is real? There's no denying. There's no denying. And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying. It's terrifying.
Not a reel, you can't use the
How
rock.
will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying? Without trying. And how will we
guys, I got it.
meant to be.
See, I don't know if you're messing with me or not. How am I gonna get up? In shape. I'm not a freaking climber. Oh god.